Hi, my name is Sebastian Cano Rincon, and today I'm going to talk about some answers about what am I going to do with my life. The first question is think about all your education process and tell what you have done and learned. Okay, well, so I've learned a lot of things, and because we're talking about more than 11 years. But the thing that I consider is the most important is that the discipline and the responsibility is stronger than the intelligence because I don't know, you need those things for everything, and it can always help you a lot. So I think that if you have those things, you can achieve whatever you want. The second question is, what would you like to do after your school graduation? Well, I'd like to do lots of things, such as study at the university, the career that I would like to study, do exercise, and also I'm looking if I can do any sport too, and play an instrument like piano because I like it a lot. But it's something that it could be, but maybe not. And study French, and maybe because I like a lot of languages, but it's hard in this situation to um, know the place where I can study that language. And yeah, the third question is if you are going to continue studying, what and where will you study? Okay, so I'd like to study system engineer, and the options that I have for that career are la Universidad Nacional and la Universidad de la UPB. My first option is la Universidad Nacional because it's the best university here in Colombia. But also, I like a lot the UPB because it has are really nice facilities. So yeah. Um, the fourth question is explain the profession that you would like to perform in the future and why. Well, I wanted to study medicine, but then I just decided to study another thing totally different because I feel that maybe medicine could be so stronger for me, and I didn't want to study exactly medicine. I wanted to study uh, genetic engineer, and it has some difference that I don't like. So I decided to study system engineering because it's something well paid. I'm good with computers. I'm good in math, and also I know how to program some basic things. So yeah. And the last question is, how and where will you see yourself in 5 years? Well, I see myself finishing my career and probably having a job because I'd like to have a job before finish my studies, and it could help me a lot with the experience because to get a job you need experience. Some jobs need that, so it could be helpful. And also, I see a small possibility of living in another country or not living, just working in another country. So yeah, that's all.